Hello 4-H volunteers. This tutorial will help you learn how to use Zoom to set up a virtual meeting. First, you will come to zoom.us. This is on a computer. When you are there, come to this resources section and you'll want to download the Zoom client. This is actually putting the application onto your computer. Here's where you can download it right here. After you've done that, you'll create your own account. With your free account, you can host meetings that are 40 minutes long. There's multiple ways to schedule a meeting, but we're going to show you how to do it today through their website. So come to schedule a meeting. On this page, you can customize your title, anything that you'd like, and maybe even put a description of what your meeting will be about. You will come to this calendar in order to determine the date and, of course, the time. In your free version, you have only 40 minutes, but if you chose to purchase a subscription, which is not necessary, you could change how long that time would be and choose your time zone. If it is a recurring meeting, you can also click that on there. If you would like to have a password so that those individuals who are coming in have a password, you can set that up there and you can customize that to your 4-H club. The video for both of the host and the participants, if you're going to have video so you can see each other, that's on. Your audio, because people may come in by telephone or by computer, it's great to click both. We're not going to have the students join before you, so go ahead and take that off. And if you want any of these other elements, which are advanced options, you could choose to do that. If you have a 4-H co-leader that you'd like to be an alternative host, this is a great place to put in their email information. And then you'd go ahead and save that. You have all the information about your club meeting and the things that you set up, including the link that you can have in order to invite privately your 4-H club members to your meeting. On your own account page, you could start the meeting through this button. You can additionally put any of that information onto a Google Calendar, an Outlook calendar, Yahoo Calendar, whatever way you want to, and there are different means in order to schedule meetings. But this is a simple way to do so. Thank you.